Hi students, today we are going to discuss about types of functions. The first one is injection or one-one function. A function f from a to b is called an injection if distinct elements of a have distinct f images in b. What is distinct? Distinct means not same. If you take two different elements in a, they should have two different f images in b. Let us check. Let us see in detail. F from A to B is an injection. F from A to B is an injection implies and implied by A1, A2 are elements in A and A1 not equal to A2. A1 not equal to A2 means A1 and A2 are distinct elements, which implies that F of A1 is not equal to F of A2. If you take A1 not equal to A2, then their images f of a1 and f of a2 are also not equal. Then this means distinct elements have distinct images. In another way, we can say a1, a2 belongs to capital A. That means these two are elements in domain and f of a1 equal to f of a2. The images of these two elements are equal. That means f of n is equal to f of a2. A1 is the images of f of a1 is the image of a1. F of a2 is the image of a2. If the images are equal, that implies a1 equal to a2. If images are equal, then elements are equal. If distinct elements have distinct f images. Distinct elements have distinct f images. If images are equal, then elements are also equal. In these two ways, you can define the one-one function. Let A contains the elements 1, 2, 3 and B contains the elements A, B, C, D. Here 1 is mapped to A and 2 is mapped to B and 3 is mapped to C. All elements in A have only one image in B. All elements in all elements in A have only one element in B. So this is called one-one function. The range of f means A, B, C. Range equal to set A comma B comma C. If A, B, C is the subset of A, B, C, D. So range is subset to B. Note: no two distinct elements in A have the same image in B is called one-one function. No two distinct elements in A have the same image in B is called one-one function. That means no two distinct elements have same image. That means every element have their own image. One is having image A. That means A is the image of A1, B is the image of 2, C is the image of 3. No two distinct elements in A have same image. That means these two are different elements. These two have two different images. Example. Let f of x is equal to x plus 1. F from A to B is a function. Is it A contains 1, 2, 3 and B contains 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us verify the function f from A to B is 1, 1 or not. Given f of x is equal to x plus 1. If x is equal to 1, what is the value of f of 1? That means 1 is the element in A. Image of 1 is f of 1. F of 1 equal to 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. So 1 is mapped to 2. Now x is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to 3. So 2 is mapped to 3. If x is equal to 3, then f of 3 equal to 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So 3 is mapped to 4. Now all the elements are mapped to the elements in B. Now f equal to set of all ordered pairs 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 4. So first element in the order pair belongs to the domain, and second elements in ordered pairs are belongs to codomain. Therefore, range of f equal to all the second elements in the f ordered base. So 2, 3, 4 are the images of elements of 1, 2, 3. So range of f equal to set of 2, 3, 4. Now observe this. B equal to codomain contains the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, and range of f equal to 2, 3, 4. So 2, 3, 4 is set of 2, 3, 4 is subset to set 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, range is subset to codomain. Here, the elements of A are mapped to only one element of B. The elements of A are mapped to only one element of B. So, we can say that f from A to B is a 1-1 function. A to B is 1-1 function. The second one is surjection or onto function. A function f from A to B is called a surjection if the range of f is equal to the codomain of f. What is range of f? Set of our outputs or set of our images of f is equal to the set codomain. Codomain set is equal to range of f. Range of f is equal to codomain. Then we can say that in function f from A to B is a surjection. Let us see in detail. F from A to B is a surjection. F from A to B is a surjection that implies and implied by range of f equal to B. Range of f is also denoted by f of capital A. F of A. F of A is equal to B, then range of f equal to codomain, which is implies and implied by B equal to set of all f of A such that A belongs to capital A. These are f of A means what? Image of A. F of A is called image of A. All the images, B contains all the images of A. A are the elements in domain. That implies and implied by for every B belongs to capital B, there exists at least one A belongs to capital A such that f of A equal to B or f inverse of B equal to A. That means every element in codomain should have a pre-image in domain. Every element in codomain should have a pre-image in domain such that f inverse of B is equal to A. F inverse of B means in pre-image of B. Pre-image of B is equal to A. That is, every element in the codomain has a pre-image in the domain. Every element in the codomain has a pre-image in the domain. F from A to B is a function. A to B is a function. F is a function from A to B. A, B, C, D, E are the elements of A. X, Y, R, S are the elements of codomain. A is a domain and B is codomain. A is mapped to X, B is mapped to Y, and C is also mapped to. And that means B and C are having same image. D is mapped to R. E is mapped to S. Now range of F equal to X, Y, R, S. Codomain, the elements of codomain are also X, Y, R, S. So we can say that range of F equal to codomain B. So we can say that f from A to B is called surjection or onto function. An example, f of x equal to x square is a function. Codomain A equal to, domain A equal to -1, set of all -1, 1, 2, minus 2. This set codomain B equal to set of 1, 4. We can represent in the diagram. A to B. F is a function from A to B. This first set is called domain and the second set is called codomain. Now take x is equal to -1. What happens? F of -1. The image of -1 is f of -1. F of -1 is equal to -1 whole square, which is equal to 1. -1 whole square. The function f of x is x square. So if you take x is equal to -1, then -1 whole square gives 1. So -1 is mapped to 1. Similarly, 1 is mapped to 1. 1 square. If x is equal to 1, 1 square gives 1. If x is equal to 2, then 2 square gives 4. If x is equal to minus 2, again minus 2 whole square gives 4. Now range of f means images of A. Images of the elements in A are 1 and 4. So range of f equal to 1, 4. So now codomain contains only elements 1 and 4, and range also contains elements 1 and 4. Therefore we can say that range is equal to codomain. Hence if range is equal to codomain, then the function f from A to B is called surjection. The next one is bijection. If f from A to B is both an injection and a surjection, then f is said to be bijection or 1 to 1 from A on to B. Let us see in detail. F from A to B is a bijection. By the definition of bijection, what is F? F is both injection and surjection. If F is injection, then we can say that images, two distinct elements have distinct images, or if the images are equal, then their elements are also equal. If images are equal, then the elements are also equal. What is surjection? Surjection, every element of B has a pre-image in A. That means what? For every element B in codomain, there exists at least one A belongs to capital A. That means in domain, every element of B has a pre-image in A. Let us see the diagram. F from A to B. The set A contains the elements A, B, C, D, and set B contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. A is mapped to 1, B is mapped to 4, C is mapped to 2, D is mapped to 3. So what can we write? What is F? F equal to set of all ordered pairs. F equal to set of all ordered pairs A comma 1, B comma 4, C comma 2, C comma 2, and D comma 3. In this way, you can define the function f. F is the set of all ordered pairs A comma 1, B comma 4, C comma 2, and D comma 3. Here, the first elements are belongs to domain and the second elements are belongs to codomain. So, now range of f equal to what? Range of f equal to set 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. Because, why 1, 2, 3, 4? Since these are the images of the elements of A. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the images of the elements of domain. So, since range contains the set of all images, 1, 2, 3, 4 are images and range contains the set of all images. So, range is equal to set of all 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, check the set B. What is set B? B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That means codomain. This codomain is equal to range. So, we can say that if range equal to codomain, then the function f is onto. Here, every element have only one element as image. That means any two distinct elements should have distinct images in B. Distinct elements have distinct images in B. So F is 1, 1 and range is equal to B, codomain. So F is onto. So we can say that the function f from A to B is bijection.